Developing a Shopify e-commerce store involves several steps. Here's a general outline to guide you through the process. Define your business goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your online store, such as product offerings, target audience, and sales goals. Choose a plan. Shopify offers various plans with different features. Select one that fits your business needs and budget. Set up your account. Sign up for an account on Shopify and choose a plan. You'll need to provide basic information about your store and business. Customize your store design. Select a theme. Pick a theme that aligns with your brand's look and feel. Shopify offers both free and paid themes. Customize your theme. Use the built-in editor to adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding. Add product listings. Enter product details such as title, description, price, and images. Organize products. Create collections or categories to help customers find products easily. 6. Set up payment and shipping. Set up payment and shipping. Payment gateways configure payment options like credit cards, PayPal, etc. Tax settings. Set up tax rates based on your location and the locations you ship to. Store policies. Create policies for shipping, returns, and privacy. 8. Test your store. Before launching, thoroughly test your store to ensure all functions work correctly, including checkout, payment, and shipping processes. Promote your store. Use marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract customers. Monitor performance. Track sales, customer behavior, and website performance to make improvements. Ongoing maintenance. Regularly update your store with new products, promotions, and ensure that everything runs smoothly. By following these steps, you can effectively develop and manage a Shopify e-commerce store